Welcome to a home where bold color meets smart design. Vibrant patterns and thoughtful details create a space that's playful, functional, and full of character, perfect for modern family living. Sean Symington, an accomplished interior designer based in the UK, has a notable project in this home, which showcases his distinctive design approach. This expansive townhouse, located on a tree-lined street in West London, served as a canvas for his client's desire to incorporate vibrant jewel tones and lively patterns throughout every room. The core objective for this Brook Green home was to create a space that was not only aesthetically beautiful, but also highly functional for a growing family. Prior to the clients moving in, Symington and his team were brought in to personalize the residence, focusing on a modern and fresh twist to both the aesthetic and practical aspects of the home. A significant element of the design involved adding bespoke joinery in various rooms to optimize space and ensure each area served its intended purpose efficiently. Fortunately, The clients were open to bold colors and patterns, which allowed Symington to fully unleash his creativity in applying strong prints and vivid tones throughout the house. The resulting design is cohesive yet celebrates the unique individuality of the residents, creating a fun and creative family home that is intended for long-term enjoyment. Symington's overall design philosophy, evident in the Brook Green project, can be described as classic with a fresh whimsy. He strongly believes that a home should be a true reflection of the people living in it, emphasizing collected and eclectic interiors that don't take themselves too seriously. His work often incorporates a bold use of color and pattern, whether it's a subtle palette of blues and greens or punchy jewel tones infused with unexpected prints. He also places importance on layering textures, mixing different styles and periods, and incorporating antique or vintage pieces to add character and avoid a one-stop shop look.